diversion from our skiing today because we could hear this big noise. So we had to come down and see. And hopefully you can hear it. I'll shut up in a little minute here. It's the waves hitting the icebergs. That's what we want to call them. Criminy. Here we are. Farm Park Beach. Yes, we heard some noise. We had to come down and see what it was. Look at this, it's amazing. Get over there, see if I can close it up. Walked out. We're living dangerously today. Ski boots, cross-country ski boots. Yes, on the iceberg. Isn't that amazing? Can you people hear that? There's any capacity stones in there. Where is he? Wicked! Yeah. This is so cool. Look at the colors in the lake. They're amazing. Look at the sand turn up. Just all the waves. If we want to go a little bit, look at that, it's breaking off. Yeah, maybe we should go to the edge, huh? Since this itself is shaking.
The waves going in out, breaks up the waves coming in.
Oh yeah. Rolling in right at us. And up it goes. Whoa! That gave us a little ice ball. That's what all these balls are coming from.
They shoot up through this.
Yeah, see these little balls? They're shooting off the top of that thing there.